College is a time of learning, exploration, and self-discovery. It's a period where you not only gain academic knowledge but also life skills that will shape your future and growth. It's also a time of tight budgets, where every dollar counts. Managing finances can be challenging, but it's an essential part of the college experience. And ramen noodle dinners. We've all been there, trying to stretch our money as far as it can go. But imagine if you could ease those financial burdens while pursuing your degree. The good news is, you can. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can find ways to supplement your income. There are many ways for college students to make money, and we're here to explore some smart strategies. Remember, these methods aren't about getting rich quick. They're about supplementing your income, gaining valuable experience, and learning about financial responsibility. From part-time jobs to freelance gigs, the opportunities are vast. These skills will serve you well, long after graduation. So, whether you're saving for a new laptop, a weekend trip, or just trying to make ends meet, read on. Financial literacy is a crucial skill that will benefit you throughout your life. We'll delve into practical and manageable ways to earn money while navigating the exciting world of college life. From internships to side hustles, we'll cover it all. Let the journey to financial freedom begin. Remember all those hours spent studying and writing papers? The late nights, the endless cups of coffee, and the countless pages of notes? That hard-earned knowledge can actually translate into cash. Yes, you heard that right. Your academic efforts can pay off in more ways than just good grades. One way is by creating and selling ebooks. Imagine turning your well-researched papers into comprehensive guides or study aids. Think about those subjects you excel in. What topics do you find yourself explaining to friends over and over again? Maybe you're a math whiz, a history buff, or a coding guru. Your expertise in these areas can be invaluable to others. Whatever your area of expertise, there are others eager to learn from you. Sharing your knowledge can be incredibly rewarding. Platforms like Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing make it surprisingly simple to self-publish your ebooks. You can reach a global audience with just a few clicks. Speaking of academic strengths, consider offering homework help to fellow students. Your understanding of complex subjects can be a lifeline for someone struggling. Many students struggle with certain subjects, and they often need a bit of extra help to get through their coursework. You could be their savior. By offering tutoring services, you can make a significant difference in their academic journey. Online platforms connect tutors with students seeking assistance, making it easier than ever to share your knowledge and earn some extra income. So, why not leverage your academic skills? Whether through ebooks or tutoring, you have the potential to help others while also benefiting yourself. The gig economy is booming, and it's a goldmine for college students seeking flexible work arrangements. Freelancing allows you to set your hours and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Think about your skills and interests. Are you a wordsmith? Offer your writing and editing services to businesses and individuals. Got an eye for design? Create logos, social media graphics, or even website designs. Tech savvy? Dive into web development or coding projects. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients worldwide. You can browse available gigs, set your rates, and build a portfolio showcasing your talents. Section 4. Online opportunities, clicks, tasks, and commissions. The internet is teeming with opportunities to earn money, often with minimal time commitment. Microtasking platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or mTurk and ClickWorker offer small tasks that can be completed quickly. These tasks might involve data entry, image tagging, or survey participation. Another avenue is affiliate marketing. If you have a strong social media presence or a blog, you can partner with brands and promote their products or services. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Remember, while these methods may not generate substantial income individually, they can provide a steady stream of pocket money with consistent effort. Section 5. Content is king. Building your online empire. If you're passionate about a particular topic and enjoy creating content, consider building your online empire. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or social media account, sharing your knowledge and creativity can lead to monetization opportunities. Choose a niche that excites you and start creating high-quality content consistently. As your audience grows, you can explore avenues like advertising revenue, sponsored content, or even selling merchandise related to your brand. Remember, building a successful online presence takes time and effort. Be patient, stay consistent, and engage with your audience to foster a loyal following. Section 6. Collaborations and competitions, teaming up and testing your skills. Collaboration is key in today's interconnected world. Team up with fellow students on projects that interest you. This could involve creating content together, developing an app, or even launching a small business. Another exciting avenue is participating in hackathons and competitions. These events often offer prize money and provide valuable experience working on real-world challenges. You'll also have the opportunity to network with industry professionals and potential employers. Section 7. Balancing act. Juggling work and studies. While earning money is important, remember that your primary focus in college should be your education. It's easy to get caught up in the need to make money, but your studies are what will pave the way for your future career. It's crucial to find a balance between work and studies. This balance will help you maintain your grades while also gaining valuable work experience. Set realistic goals for how much you can work without jeopardizing your academic performance. Overcommitting can lead to burnout and stress, which can negatively impact both your job and your studies. Create a schedule that accommodates both your work commitments and study time. Use planners, calendars, and apps to keep track of deadlines and shifts. Don't be afraid to communicate with your professors and employers if you're feeling overwhelmed. They can offer advice, extensions, or adjustments to help you manage your workload. Many professors are understanding of students' financial needs and may be able to offer flexibility or support. They can provide guidance on how to balance your responsibilities effectively. Remember, college is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself and take breaks when needed to avoid burnout. By managing your time effectively and prioritizing your education, you can successfully navigate the challenges and reap the rewards of both work and academics. Stay organized, seek support when needed, and keep your long-term goals in mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on online money-making opportunities.